Hi guys, Farrington here, your go-to guy for all things crypto, mining and passive income. In today's video, we're doing a dual mining video on Fry's token and on the Larrisa. So in this video, what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be setting up a BYOD license on my Larrisa node. I'm going to be showing you guys exactly how you can do that for yourself and how you can get yourself involved in this. So let's jump straight into today's video. Make sure to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and let's get straight into today's video. Okay, so jumping straight into today's video, we can see right now on my screen I currently have my Larrisa node currently set up. It's currently earning. You can see the name of the miner there, and like I say, you can see that currently at the moment, there's plenty of CPU usage and there's plenty of RAM usage, but at the same time there's plenty to spare. So what we're doing in today's video is I'm going to be setting up a BYOD license from the Fry Foundation, and in a nutshell, we're going to be dual mining with this Larrisa node, which I think is absolutely awesome. It means that we can get the ROI times on either nodes to actually get to the point where it's a little bit more shorter and quicker. Now, for those of you that already have a Larrisa node set up and you've got this set up on, let's say, a mini PC, a mini computer, something along those lines, or maybe you've got it set up on an old desktop or a laptop, something like that, then you will be able to set yourself up this dual mine with Fry tokens, which is absolutely amazing. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be setting this up with a BYOD license. I'm going to be making this have a BYOD bandwidth miner so that I'm able to just utilize it and not use too much of the resources. Now, if we jump ourselves over onto the LRS Node Profitability Calculator, I'll be leaving a link for this down in the description so you guys can actually have a little look through on there for the profitability for yourself at the time of this video. Like I say, how it is today may not be how it is in a month or two time, so make sure you do take that into consideration, and nothing that I do say in today's video is financial advice, of course. But as we see here, for the total of nodes, it will change for the amount of nodes that you currently have. So if you have 10 nodes, like I say, your earnings will be completely different. But as for the sake of today's video, I've only got one Larrisa node at the moment. So as you can see, currently at the moment, the current nodes is 3,827. The current LRSN price is 0.177, so that's 17 cents in a nutshell, and currently per day in a 24-hour period you'll be earning 1.3 LRSN, which is approximate to 23 cents per day, and in a month's period you'll be earning $7. So like I said, for a 420 investment, that is quite a chunker for the return on investment. Like I said, that means that we've been waiting on some sort of price movement or anything along those lines so that we can actually start to see some good returns. Now, like I said, what I'm going to be doing is throwing a BYOD license on top of mine. Like I said, it only costs $105, and I believe that this is going to be helping the ROI on this get a lot quicker. It's going to make sure that I'm able to accumulate my bag for Fry token, throw those into Cometa Hub for staking so I can actually earn some more rewards with my Fry, and like I say, reduce the ROI on this massively over a period of time. So let's have a little look over at the Fry Foundation. So the Fry Foundation, what they do is the Fry Foundation is built on Algorand ecosystem that aims to build a decentralized network of decentralized networks, and at the same time the Fry Foundation always strives to reduce the amount of e-waste that enters our environment. So in a nutshell, what that means is normally if you do purchase one of their miners, they'll send you out repurposed and refurbished mini PCs and things like that, where you're able to have the bandwidth miners, the satellite miners, the decimal miners. They also have plenty of products all over their website, and I'll leave a link for you guys down in the description, and also using code Farrington will also save you guys 25% off the purchasing price for any of the miners. But if we're talking about the BYOD, which is what we're talking about in today's video, because we're going to be dual mining LRSN with BYOD license and dual mining that and earning Fry tokens in return. Like I say, for today's video, what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be downloading the bandwidth miner. I'm going to be pressing on the click download. It's very simple to do, and then all you really need to do is then take that to the mini PC or the computer that you're currently using to set this up with, and then download and follow the installation steps there to get yourself set up. Now, once you have downloaded and installed this onto the mini PC or the computer of your own choice, do not forget to take yourself over to the BYOD registration. Click on the registration form that you chose to download. So for the sake of today's video, I did use the BYOD bandwidth miner, and then make sure that you follow the steps as you can see here. So just throw in your first, last name, throw in the email address, throw in the Algorand address where you want to be paid to. Make sure you throw in the BYOD license key that you would receive in your email from purchasing the BYOD license. Quick picture of your miner once it's set up. Select that you're not a robot. Once you've selected that you're not a robot, press on the submit button from here, and then within 24 to 72 hours, you should then start to see your Fry tokens start to drop into your wallet from there. Even though this is a little bit back to front, if you are still interested and don't know where to purchase your BYOD license, you can press on the shop tab on fryfoundation.com, press on BYOD licenses, and from there you'll be able to then connect up the wallet of your own choice. Make sure that you have your accounts loaded with the Algorand and then the Fry tokens, and then you'll be able to purchase from there. But like I said, guys, all the links will be left down in the description for you guys. And like I said, if you do or are interested in purchasing, let's say, any of the miners from the Fry Foundation, make sure you use code Farrington to save yourself 25% off the purchasing price. And it also does support the channel, so I really do appreciate that. Okay, so there we have it, guys. I have now got the BYOD license, and I do have the Larrisa Node currently running on this system at this moment in time. So in a few days, I'll start to receive the Fry tokens hit my wallet, and you know, I will have to wait. I think it's roughly around about a week per payout at the moment for the Larrisa nodes. Like I say, you do need a minimum of 10 LRSN to actually withdraw on this. And like I say, with the Fry Foundation, you actually are able to sell and move your funds immediately from the day that you start to receive your funds, which I think is absolutely great. But like I said, I would always personally recommend to throw that into Cometa, stake that up, earn a little bit more interest, and go from there. But like I said, don't take anything I say as financial advice. Do everything as you wish and as you will. I will be leaving a link for the Larrisa node as well down in the description, so make sure you use that link and the referral code for that if you are getting yourself up. I would also appreciate that, guys. But at the same time, let me know your thoughts down in the comments. Have you got yourself a Larrisa node? Are you going to be throwing yourself a BYOD license onto your systems to make sure that you can start to hit those return on investments a little bit quicker? Because like I say, I'm interested in Fry Foundation. I think you guys have seen quite a fair chunk of Fry Foundation content over onto the channel. And like I say, guys, for myself, I'm waiting for the markets to move up and for them to actually start to sell some of the data. And from when that point starts to happen, I believe that the Fry token itself is going to skyrocket in price, and we're going to see a lot more consistent and a lot more stable rewards coming in. But then also there's also a very, very, very key and interesting point that I do want to add in there, hence why I said interesting twice, is that the verification for Fry miners is actually coming in. I think it's either the end of this month or the end of next month. Maybe I'll update and put it down into the description. But like I say, if you jump into our Discord as well, I'll be updating you guys when that actually does go live. But like I say, to get yourself verified, that's coming very, very soon. For all of us that have already got ourselves, a fair chunk of Fry miners already set up and earning at the moment, we're soon going to be able to actually get those verified earnings, which have all been, waiting for and excited for. So like I say, guys, get yourself involved. If you do, let me know down in the comments, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.